Okay, so here's a short video on how to create an audio-visual presentation. This can be used as part of your live lesson, or if you're not going to be there at all, you can just use it for that. And once you've made your video and you're happy with it, you can use that for as many classes as you want, and you can use it whenever. So it's something that you can archive and you can come back to next year when you're covering the same topic with the following year. So it's a good investment that way. Okay, so it's a piece of cake. Of course, you have to do it a couple of times, and then but you will see that it's handy enough. So first thing is you make your presentation, or a Word document or anything. It doesn't have to be a presentation. It can be from an audiobook or an ebook, like anything at all that you can do. So it's a live, presentation. So anything that's visual at all, you can use that. You need to screen record, making sure that your mic is switched on, your microphone. Otherwise, you could end up like 10 minutes talking and then you listen back to it and there's nothing there. So I'm going to show you how to do that now in a second. Number 3, then you upload to YouTube. You're going to have to make your own channel if you don't have one already. I really recommend making one for your subject, but you can have one for your own personal use yourself. But make sure it's a separate one to your personal one. And then you create an assignment on Teams and include the link. Okay, so first things first, you need to be able to screen record. Okay, so you've got your presentation, you've got whatever it is up on the screen, then you need to be able to pull down there, and that circle, that red circle that's flashing, that's telling me that's recording right now. But you have to manually select that. I'm going to show you how to do it. You go into settings, which is there on your iPad. Go into Control Center, which is located below General. And then you can see there that on the top, you can see the things that I have selected on my control panel, which is silent mode, torch, timer, camera, and screen recording. But if it's not, you go down here, find screen recording, and press the green plus icon, and that then will mean that it'll be saved there when you pull down from the top right of the screen. Okay, then when you've made your video, you'll find it and you just press stop, and that will save the video into your gallery, and then you can upload that video then to YouTube. Okay, so that's the fundamentals of it. Okay, so best of luck with that, and any more questions, come back to me on that.